Hello and welcome to the Kenneth Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition, we look at sentencing in a criminal case. So, the person charged with a criminal offense in indictable matter hires their attorney. The attorney gets a discovery. They review possible defenses. The prosecutor makes an offer. Defense attorney oftentimes makes a counter offer. If the case is going to be resolved through a plea, there's a formal plea form that has to be filled out by the defense attorney. They attach the indictment, and each page has to be read, reviewed, initialed by the defendant, and then at the what's called the plea hearing, the defendant has to provide a factual basis, and the judge goes over some of their rights that they're waiving by pleading guilty. Oftentimes it's to get a lesser jail term or no jail term at all. I'd say if the guilty plea is accepted, the judge will schedule a sentencing date, usually maybe 2 months in the future, and that gives the criminal division time to prepare what's called a pre-sentence investigation, a PSI. It also gives the defense attorney time to prepare a sentencing memo, and it gives the defendant time to obtain letters of reference to submit to the prosecutor in the court, as well as prepare reasons why the judge should not impose the maximum and should go along with the plea bargain. The defendant's required to review the pre-sentence report, because on sentencing day the judge will ask were there any errors, corrections, or additions to the pre-sentence report. Defense attorney goes first. I'd say sometimes people on the defendant's family side. Prosecutor goes next, the victims, and most judges let the defendant have the last say. I'd say if the judge is not going to go along with the plea bargain and is going to sentence higher, the defendant can withdraw the plea bargain. Let's see. And that's a little bit about sentencing in a criminal case in New Jersey. For other information, visit website njlaws.com or website benotguilty.com. That's benotguilty.com. And for representation, contact the law office of Kenneth Vercammen at 732-572-0500. Good luck.